That's another really, really interesting question. I think we still have material going to landfill, and energy is one level up from landfill in the waste hierarchy. So I still think that energy has a place to play for some of these materials, but it's not a solution for everything. And I think when purveyors of technology come and see me, I ask them some really difficult questions about do they really understand the waste stream? And they say, oh yes, of course we do. But we can burn everything. I said, no, you can't burn ceramics. You can't burn glass. You can't burn batteries and other contaminants that are of low combustion or can't be combusted. So what do you do with that? Oh, we have to separate that out. And it kind of gets me back to the point where source separation is the key for a number of reasons. One, you maintain the value of the commodity in the market to the highest value because it's less contaminated. Second, you don't have to invest huge amounts of money in technology to drive the change that you want to see. I think the technology should come later. So we're still looking at waste to energy here. We have one plant here in South Australia which takes material into a cement kiln. It's about 85,000 tonnes of refuse-derived fuel each year, and it's processed out of the commercial industrial waste stream. But there's new technologies coming along all the time that can sit. I only learned the other day you can now separate film plastics. There's technology to be able to do that. But there are some things that we still have difficulty with. Tyres is one. Copper, chrome, arsenate treated timber is another in this state. We have these problem waste streams that could potentially be of a high calorific value, but we don't yet have the technology to be able to deal with them at the scale that we need them dealt with. Very often the technologies are really large scale or very small scale, and there's not much in between. And so the large scale ones have been running in Europe for a long, long period of time, and they take everything. That's not what we're interested in now. In fact, Europe is now wanting to get out of that and move more towards recycling to realise the value of the material, not just the energy value. So I think the opportunity for us in South Australia now is to look at discrete technologies for specific waste streams that drive a really good outcome, either with energy or with some more separation.